welcome back. Today we're going to make lemon frosting lemon and berry loaf cake. It tastes great and is a great add-on to your evening tea. So let's start with the recipe. So 30 grams of unsalted butter in a bowl. We will going to beat it for about 1 minute until it gets pale. As you can see that it has turned light yellow, now we are going to add 200 grams of castor sugar. Now the next step is adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Vanilla will going to give a very wonderful aroma to our cake. Mix it again. Now we were going to beat 4 eggs, just lightly beat them. And start adding your eggs one by one. So our eggs are mixed now. Just scrape down the sides from your bowl. Make sure that everything has incorporated. Okay, so we are having dry ingredients in this bowl. 260 grams of flour. All-purpose flour can also be taken along with cake flour. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and half cup of dried blueberries. Add them in small batches, like 3 batches of the flour. Now we are going to add freshly squeezed lemon juice, half of the amount. Beat it again. Do not overbeat at this point because it will become very rubbery. So just mix it with the help of the spatula. And make sure that no ingredient is left behind. Okay, so our cake batter is ready now. We're going to pour it in our prepared dish. I have greased this dish. It's non-stick pan. And start adding your cake batter in the pan. Now we're going to prepare our lemon frosting. In 115 grams of icing sugar, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it properly. And now I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Stir it so that they combine together. As our icing sugar frosting is done, so we're going to pour some of it on top of our prepared hot lemon frosted cake. On top of it, I'm going to add candied lemon slices. So our lemon frosting, lemon and berry loaf cake is done.